What's up, y'all? All right, Michael went on his factory tour and he said it was super cool and he got to see the new 3210BH, and I was like, I can't be left out. So I am going on a factory tour today, gonna get it checked out and see what I think, and I will take you guys along with me. Let's go. So here is the bunk house. We've got that window up there and then the cargo door there. Over here you've got the two bunks. Over here you've got a slant bunk, this bunk, and then we've got some drawers, 4 drawers, which are really nice. So as compared to our trailer, which is the 3250, the bunks are all more uniform in here. So we don't have, on ours you have a bigger bunk up here. So they don't have that on this one, but I can't say that I would necessarily miss that about it. This is narrower, so there's less space in the bunk house, but honestly nobody spends that much time in here anyway, so I would almost lose the space and this extra slide out here to be able to have this cargo door. They're also not going to be making the 3250 anymore. It has been replaced with this 3210. So all right, when we come in the kitchen, something that I love about this is that they've moved the kitchen area and the dinette over there. You still have the great island that we love so much. You do lose the big pantry that we have, but you get these deep cupboards. People have really mixed reviews about these deep cupboards. Because they're so deep, they can be less functional than the pantry like we have, but they do seem to hold a lot. It has the same Furrion fridge we have. This one is being inspected, and so it's a little bit torn up, but some great storage in the kitchen. I love this island. It's the same as the one that we have. What I really love about this unit is that you have these 4 theater seats here. You have a ton of windows on the campside. In our unit, we don't have those windows on the campside, and so I would really, really like the light in this one. I love this coffee bar. So the kitchen area itself has a little bit less storage than what our kitchen does, but it's made up for here above the dinette and then over here in this coffee bar. I would love to have this coffee bar, y'all, because our coffee maker is right next to our stove, and so it'd be nice to be able to get it over here out of the way. It's really frustrating when when one of us is trying to make breakfast, one of us is trying to make coffee, and we're crammed in a little space. Whereas here, one of us can make coffee over there, breakfast over there, and it would just be so nice. Love this bathroom. It's a full-size bathroom instead of ours, which is 3/4. So you come in here. One thing that they did is that they did this full storage cabinet here, which I absolutely love. Would love to have this in our bathroom. Hey y'all. Great little corner cabinet there. And then you get a little bit of storage here. In the Imagine units, they hide some of the wiring and mechanical stuff back there. So you don't get your full under sink cabinet, but you do get a little bit of storage space there. And then another great shower. I do like the shower in ours. The toilet is right in front of the shower. I suppose that would probably be fine. But yeah. And then it has the standard Imagine bedroom on it with your bed. The cubby's off to the side for CPAPs or whatever nightstand kind of things you want to have. I do love those. They have both electrical outlets and then USB outlets in them, which is super, super nice. These right here have a hang rod so that you can hang some of your clothes. These drawers only go as deep as that cubby, and so they are kind of shallow drawers. And then you've got some overbed storage there as well. And then some pretty standard underbed storage. There is one drawer within there that slides back and forth, but there aren't any drawers that reach towards the outside. All right, so the $1 million question. Do I like the 3250BH better or the 3210 better? Honestly, y'all, if I had this as an option versus mine, I really think I would have gone with this one. The living space is a lot bigger, and that is where we spend most of our time. I think that the features between getting to have that kitchen space and the coffee space separate would be really, really nice for us. Another thing that I love about this unit is that there would be plenty of seating for Toralei. We would only need 3 seats, and so we would actually be able to take one of these seats out, because you can't take just one seat out. We would have been able to take just one seat out, and we would have been able to put additional storage there or something like that. That would have been really nice for us. And the thing about travel trailers is that they're so personal, and the way that you use them is so personal. So I can tell you what I like better about it, how I would use it, what would work for me and my family. Your family's can be completely different. You may not be coffeeaholics like we are. You might have 4 people, 6 people instead of just 3. You know, it's so personal, it's so different. You might think that having that bigger upper bunk would be really nice. For us, you know, we just use it as storage anyways. So I wish they'd had the 3210 when we were shopping, but I am also still really happy with ours. So this is a great unit if you are shopping. Like I said, they have replaced the 3250 with the 3210. So I would, if you're getting the 3210 instead of the 3250, I would be very, very happy. As far as the exterior of this goes, there are a couple of things that I love about this. I love that back storage door. I love that they have put a screen on it, and so you can have just a great amount of airflow coming through when you're wanting to just use natural air to help cool your trailer down. I also love that you would be able to load in luggage or groceries or a kayak or bikes, whatever you might want to load in without having to put out any slides. So when the slides are in, you can't access the living area at all. You can access the front bedroom, and then on this one you'd be able to access the bunk house, which would be really, really nice. And I also love that storage drawer that they've put in behind the drawers under that one side on the bunk. They designed it to be able to work for your power cord, but you'd be able to fit so much stuff in there. This is fantastic. I love this unit. They've done a great job.